Puja, puja, puja. If we discuss the history, we understand about puja. When we discuss that, we saw that Devi Puja, Ishwar's Devi Roop Puja. When we discuss Pragoidhasik Yug, then we understand the Shakti Puja in this Bharat. If we want to prove, follow the different religious book. There are different kinds of proof. If we discuss the Vedic Yug, they worship the Devi Mahamaya. If we follow the Chandi, that is Satyayug. If we follow the Chandi, Devi Sukta, Chandi comes from the Rigved, Devi Sukta. You will understand about the Mahamaya, Chandi Mahamaya. And when you go to Durga Puja, you will find they read the Chandi, they recite the Chandi. If we follow that Chandi, we understand the Mahamaya. For the reason, it comes from the Vedic Yug. If we follow the Rigved, Ratri Sukta, you will find the Chandi. So, they worshipped. Why we do not worship? Worship. If we follow the Devi Sukta, we follow the Ratri Sukta of Ved, Rigved. If we follow the Gujja Sukta, if we follow Mahabharata, if we follow Bahu Puran, if we follow the Narayana Upanishad, if we follow the Jaggi Upanishad, if we Kena Upanishad, Bhuneshwara Samhita, etc., you will find there are puja. Do puja.